Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in New York City in Manhattan. That's right, we're leaving Brooklyn behind. We've seen Coney Island for the past couple of weeks. We're going to check out the Eataly here in the Flatiron district of Manhattan. By now you guys know how much I love Eataly stores and the restaurants that are in them, and I visited quite a few, including Las Vegas and right downtown here in Manhattan. But this is the Flatiron one. It's directly across the street from the Flatiron building. It's on 5th Avenue. Most importantly, there is a Lego store right next door, so this makes me really happy to visit this location. Every time I visit a Eataly, regardless of the location, whether it's Vegas or New York City, I always have to leave half the stuff in my backpack home, mostly my camera equipment, because I know I'm going to be shopping and I'm going to be filling up that backpack with goodies to bring home. Anyway, this is a New York City Vault video, and if you've been following the Vault videos, you know that they're mostly New York City videos that were previously uploaded right before the pandemic hit. And I decided to dig them out of the vault and spruce them up a little bit with some commentary and some music. I hope you enjoy this. I love visiting Italy. I think you're going to enjoy visiting it today as well. Let's get started. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not subscribe to the New York channel and give the video a thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. And a shout out to the real Unc D who gave a super thanks on my Hoover Dam video. Thank you, real Unc D. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.